Hallucinations. What are hallucinations? If you are like most folks, you probably think hallucination has to do with seeing things that are not really there. But there is a lot more to do than that. It could mean you touch or even smell something that doesn't exist. There are many different causes. It could be a mental illness called schizophrenia, a nervous system problem like Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, or a number of other things.
Facts. More than 70% of people with schizophrenia get visual hallucinations and 60 to 90% hear voices. But some may also smell and taste things that aren't really there. Up to half of the people who have Parkinson's disease sometimes see things that aren't there. Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia, especially Lewy body dementia, cause changes in the brain that can bring on hallucinations. It may be more likely to happen when your disease is advanced.
About 1/3 of people with migraines also have an aura, a type of visual hallucinations. It can look like a multicolored crescent of light. Tumors in some parts of the brain can cause hallucinations of smell and taste. If it's in an area that has to do with vision, you may see things that are not real. You might also see spots or shapes of light.
Gustatory hallucination. You may feel that something you eat or drink has an odd taste. Some common causes include temporal lobe disease, brain lesions, sinus diseases, and epilepsy.
Tactile and somatic hallucinations. You might think you are being tickled even when no one else is around. Or you may feel like insects are crawling on under your skin. You could feel a blast of hot air on your face. That's not real. Some common causes include schizoaffective disorder, drugs that make you hallucinate, delirium tremens, alcohol, Alzheimer's disease, Lewy body dementia, and Parkinson's disease.
Visual hallucination. You might see things others don't. For example, insects crawling on your hands or on the face of someone you know. See objects with the wrong shape or see things moving in the ways they usually don't. Sometimes they look like flashes of light. A rare type of seizure called the occipital may cause you to see brightly colored spots or shapes. Some common causes include irritation in the visual cortex, schizoaffective disorder, depression, bipolar disorder, use or withdrawal of drugs, seizures, migraines, brain lesions and tumors, sleep problems, metabolism problems, or others.
Auditory hallucinations. You may sense that the sounds are coming from inside or outside your mind. You might hear the voices talking to each other or feel like they are telling you to do something. Some common causes could include schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, psychosis, borderline personality disorder, post-traumatic stress disorder, hearing loss, sleep disorders, brain lesions, drug use.
Olfactory hallucinations. You may think the odor is coming from something around you or that is coming from your own body. Some common causes include head injury, temporal lobe seizure, inflamed sinuses, brain tumor, Parkinson's disease, and others.
So, how can we diagnose and treat such hallucinations? If a person is suspected to have hallucination, it is best to be with them all the time and don't deny what they are talking or feeling. Distract the person from these feelings in a very gentle manner and make them feel relaxed. If you or a loved one has hallucinations, go see a doctor. First, your doctor needs to find out what's causing your hallucinations. He will ask about your medical history, do a physical exam, ask about your symptoms, and therefore you may need to do tests to help figure out the problem. Remember, stress management, regular exercise, healthy eating, and adequate sleep are some of the simple measures to prevent yourself and your loved one from hallucination.